Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will provide information on how to fix Instagram double tap not working. Double tap not working on Instagram could be due to the recent update working problematic. In addition, problems with the application cache can cause you to encounter various errors like this. If there is an update available, you can check the issue by updating to the latest update. For this, we will give you information on how to fix errors such as double tap not working on Instagram by mentioning a few suggestions. Before we show you solutions, we will briefly talk about the forum. You can forward various errors you encounter to the community on the forum portal we have opened. For this, if your problem continues or if you encounter a different problem, you can get a quick response by sharing it on the forum portal. We care about your questions and suggestions. If there is an update available, you can check the issue by updating to the latest update. For this, we will give you information on how to fix errors such as double tap not working on Instagram by mentioning a few suggestions. Any cache problem in the Instagram application can cause us to encounter such errors. For this, we can eliminate the problem by clearing the data and cache. First, open the Settings menu. Click on Applications in the menu. Then select the Instagram application and click on the Storage option. Clear it by clicking the Clear Data option on the screen that opens. After this process, you can check if the problem persists by running the Instagram application. Deleting and reinstalling the app can help prevent various errors like this. This can be caused by the application files being corrupt or faulty. For this, completely delete the Instagram application from your device, download it again, perform the installation process and open it. After this procedure, you can check if the problem still persists. Problems with the new version of the Instagram application may cause you to encounter various errors like this. For this, we can eliminate the problem by installing the old version of the Instagram application. Download the older version after reaching the link in the article. After the download is complete, uninstall the Instagram app from the device. Then run the downloaded app file and start the installation process on your device. After the installation process is complete, you can check if the problem persists by running the Instagram application. Yes, in this video we have provided information on how to fix Instagram double tap not working error. If you are encountering various errors, you can reach the community with your questions by accessing the forum portal we have opened. By supporting us, we can expand our community. Thank you.